Using GS1 barcodes to record data in clinical systems improves speed and accuracy of data capture, enables clinical decision support, and improves traceability and recall of medical products. An operating theatre nurse logs into the clinical record system and identifies himself by scanning the barcode on his badge. He confirms the operating theatre location. He identifies the patient by scanning their wristband barcode, which opens the correct record. Consent for the procedure is confirmed. From surgeon preference, the nurse has pre-selected a range of implants and other medical products. Before inserting the implant, the correct size is requested. The barcode is scanned to capture the data for the patient record. Barcodes on other products used are also scanned and recorded. After the procedure is complete, an administrator retrieves information about the implantable devices used. This is shared electronically with the relevant implant registry. This data will assist long-term assessment of patient outcomes from the implants.